I mean, we're gonna start analyzing start. Oh, I'm actually really tired. Like, I didn't want to come live, but like, you know what? Is I didn't come live yesterday in the evening, and it's been a while since I came live on this platform. Let me just come live. Yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys, for to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back again live here to trade, analyze, and learn. This is a great place to be in if you're a beginner. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes to okay, we're at 1,000. So you guys can keep tapping on the screen and likes. That would be greatly appreciated. I will get started with the analysis very soon. Okay, let's just get the likes up. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen. Let's get the likes up to at least 10,000. Welcome back to everybody who's joining. I hope you guys are doing great. We're just getting started here. We're back to trade, analyze, and learn. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen. Yeah. I'm gonna just share the live to the Telegram group. All right, live on YouTube. Okay, and then let me share the live, the live that's on TikTok. Let me also share that as well. My people, you know what? Should I even share it? Because it's honestly better to watch it on YouTube because interaction is super. I mean, not interaction, but like viewing it is a lot better. Hi, Pauline. Hi, how are you doing? Hello to everybody who's just joining. Okay, so we are good. Welcome back, guys. I hope everybody's doing great. We're back again here to trade, learn, and analyze. So I'm gonna get started soon. Let me just drink water. I want to play music, so let me actually do that because we need some motivation. Okay, see if I have a good music to play. What's a good music? For the people watching on YouTube, just kind of bear with me, okay? Because usually before I start the live, I need to get the likes to a certain amount, okay? And then after that, I'll get started. So y'all just bear with me. And if you're watching this live stream after it has been uploaded on the platform, then just bear with me, okay? I will start with the analysis very soon. Just need to get some things done here, all right? So bear with me, y'all. Welcome back, guys. I'm just trying to find a music to play, and I cannot find anything. Okay. I just play something random. Okay. Whatever. All right, so welcome back. Hello, Maggie. Hi, Michael, Angel. Hello, hi, Narinda. Hello to Crypto Mecca, highlighting mine. Thank you for following. Appreciate it. For everybody who's following, I highly encourage you guys to also join the Telegram group, okay? Okay, hi, Dreer. Make sure you also join the Telegram group, okay? This is the best place to be in if you want to stay connected with myself and also just to get some signal. So guys, I did come a little bit late. Normally I start my live, I'm supposed to come live at around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, but sort of like woke up late, and yeah, so like 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Just so you guys know, in my time, zone, it's actually 7:30 a.m. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually super early for me. So that's why it's been very difficult for me to like try to remain consistent in coming live around that time, because it is super early. It requires me to like wake up very early, like around 5 a.m. or so I can get other things done before I come live, right? So yeah, so I'm going to try my best. Maybe next week I'll try my best to like keep that 9:30 a.m. Eastern time schedule of coming live consistently, okay? But the one at 10 p.m. is a lot more easier, just because, well, it's like 8 p.m. my time. So I'm actually able to come live without any issue, okay? Go to bed earlier time. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. It's not that easy because, in Canada, when it's 8, 9, 10, the sun is still out. It does not look like it's 90 yet. So it's gonna like, well, not honestly, I have blackout curtains, so that's not even an excuse. It's just me. I just have to discipline myself to go to bed a little bit earlier. So yeah, I hope everybody is doing great. We're gonna get started now, and I appreciate it if you guys can continue to tap on your screen so we can get the likes to 10,000. Okay, I will get started with the analysis right now. I'm gonna start off by analyzing gold, and then after that I will analyze Bitcoin, and then we'll look at GBP USD and so on. Okay, so I encourage everybody to make sure you follow me here on TikTok if you're not already following, and join my Telegram group. Link is in the bio. Okay. All right. So I will get started with the analysis. Any questions, please ask it once I've done the analysis. Okay. I will not be answering any questions right now until I'm done with the analysis. So let's start with analyzing gold by going to the daily time frame. By the way, congratulations to everybody who took this signal on yesterday's live. We took a buy on gold, which actually turned out to be profitable. We can see these were the targets here: 2663, 2664, and 2667. And then our stop loss was 2640, which never got hit. So all of our target here was hit. So that was amazing. Now let's start off by analyzing. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen, guys, please. We're currently at 2.2k likes. If we can keep getting the likes up, that would be great. And the people watching on the other platform, YouTube, can you guys please help get the likes up? Hit the thumbs up button, please. Let's get the likes to at least 10. Okay. All right, so before I get started, I will actually check. Let me just check to make sure there's no major news that's about to get released anytime soon here for the US dollar. So I'm gonna go to forexfactory.com just to quickly check that. Okay. All right, so let's see. We had news earlier. Okay. Let's go using this. All right, so I see we had some news earlier around 8:30. This is 8:30 Mountain Time. All right, so other than that, there's nothing else coming out. But we have some news around 11:15. Okay, not important, so I don't think it should affect the market as much. Okay, all right, so we're done. Now let me open the trading platform that I will be trading on. Okay, this is Battle.com. Currently in a Bitcoin trade that I entered yesterday, -504. Okay, this is a trade I'm going to keep holding until 65k. Okay, 65k. So that's what it is. You guys on TikTok cannot see it, but those who are on YouTube can see it. Okay, so let me. All right, so what am I doing? Okay, so this is the daily time frame. I'm going to start analyzing the daily time frame here. This is gold. Okay, So on this daily time frame, what we see here, by the way, for people on YouTube, I'm using two screens like this just because on TikTok, when I'm basically uh live, and then I'm showing my computer, okay, my computer monitor, and for the viewers to also be able to see the screen better, I have to have these two screens like this, two tiny screens, okay? So that's why I have it like this, okay? But if I was just live on, the other platform, YouTube, I wouldn't have the screen like this, okay? But I hope you guys can see the chart good, okay? I hope there's no issue. So so right now gold is still in an uptrend, okay? We are still in this very strong uptrend. As you guys can see here, price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Over the past couple of days, we see that gold has just been going higher and higher, like it hasn't slowed down at all. We've just been forming higher highs, higher lows, like actually not even the last couple of days, last 5 or 6 days, gold has just been forming highs after highs after highs. It hasn't done any sort of retracement at all, okay? So that is a very strong bullish market, okay? Since gold is currently in a bull trend, this means that the best trading opportunity for us to actually take is to be buying, right? It's best for us to look for buying opportunity and sell instead of selling. Okay, we want to be looking to buy. So now on this daily time frame, we can see the last previous high or high low was at 26.47 there. Okay, so this is an area gold, if it comes down to, could be a good area to buy. So around 25 50, 25, 25, yeah, 25 50, 60. So between 25.48 and 25.60, they're a good area to actually be buying. And then the high that it broke here was at 2600, okay, which is now a good area to also buy. It turns into support. It was resistance, now it's support, okay? So now we can see gold is technically very far away from all these areas, okay? Very far away from those areas. So there's a chance it might not return to it anytime soon. However, if it does return to it, those are good areas to look for buying opportunities, okay? What else? So now we can see this is where gold is at. Okay, this is currently where it is at right now. It's currently at 26.64. The highest it has gone so far is 26.85. Okay, that's the highest it has gone so far. And we had a rejection here at 26.70. So price got rejected there, and then it came down a little bit, and now we broke that resist. We'll try to break it. Daily time frame breakout is not yet confirmed. Okay, so this could be a new support price is forming on the daily time frame, but it's not yet confirmed until the daily candle is closed. So now I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame. Here we can still see the uptrend very well, and what we're seeing is that we had this previous resistance here, 26.70. Okay, price broke above it, so it should turn into support. Now our previous higher low is actually around here. Okay, so this is actually this zone. This entire zone here is our basically a good area to buy. So you want to look to enter buys anywhere around this level, 26.50 and 26.67. These are all good areas to enter a buy for gold. We can already see the moment gold came back, right? Right now it's doing some type of retest. And if this retest is successful, gold is supposed to basically push back up to go and retest this previous high, try to break it and stuff, okay? So far it's retesting that high. And for this uptrend to continue, and this is a 4-hour time frame, we have our low here, which we cannot break. So this is at 26.23, okay? This is basically a very important level for the market to like hold in order for this uptrend to continue. So I'm gonna just mark it down. Actually, I'm gonna use a single line here. I'm gonna just use a single line there. Just mark it down. Okay. So yeah, so for this uptrend to continue, we cannot break below 26.20 there. If we break below it, we're most likely gonna go and sell. So this means you should look to sell gold If it breaks below 26.20, then you can start looking for selling opportunities. But as long as gold is above 26.20 or whatever, it is technically still in this nice uptrend that it's gonna most likely continue. Okay, so now and then our resistance, like I said, right now we have resistance at 26.86 there. Okay, so now I'm on the 1 hour time frame here. So on this 1 hour time frame, I can see gold basically is holding that support. Okay, so this support here, it just came to it, is currently holding it. So this is actually a good time to actually enter a buy on gold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna go to abato.com and open a buy for gold right now quickly. Oh, my Bitcoin trade is actually in profit. Wow, I had no idea. I thought I was at a loss. I guess the platform, it didn't refresh, but I'm actually in profit of like 2,182. So you look at that, 2,000. Yeah, it's 2,000. So this is a Bitcoin trade I took on yesterday's live. Okay, that is good. I'm actually going to check Bitcoin just to see where is that. Okay, so for gold right now, I'm also going to enter a buy just because the price is currently at the support area. So I'm entering a buy right now. I just entered this buy on gold. So let's see how this one plays out. Okay, and then number one, I'm going to target 26.69 as the first TP, and then the second target. So let me just type this in. The second target will be 26, let's just say 26.73. Okay. And then I'll target 26.79. And then for the stop loss, so for the stop loss here, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be quite huge here, but it's gonna have to be at 26.46. Okay, it's a huge stop loss, but very low chance that that stop loss is gonna get hit until the price gets to the first TP at least. Okay. So okay, on YouTube it says, can you do currencies, GBP and USD pairs? Yeah, if I have the time, I will do that. Okay. Oh, whoops, sorry. Yeah, you're right. 51 is 69, not 59. Thank you for cutting into that arrow. Okay. So everybody who's following me, please make sure you join my Telegram group as well. Okay, so you can stay connected. The link to my Telegram group is in my bio, so just head over there to join. Okay, so guys, this is the trade that I just entered on gold, currently in a buy, and then the first TP is at 26.69, second TP is at 26.73. Okay, and then third TP is at 26.79 there. Okay, so yeah, so this is the trade here, and I'm gonna just type a message for you guys here. Join Telegram, free signals, link in bio. Okay, make sure you join the Telegram group. The link is in the bio. Okay, so now to go just quick. We can see gold. The reason why we're buying is because gold is currently at the support. Okay, we have support between 26.50 and 26.67. All right, and the price basically just came down here, and you can see the next candle day we basically held the support. So this is one sign that, you know, price is going to most likely go back up there. And then we have to try to hold this support. Okay, and then the area we cannot break is 26.38. Okay, for this to actually play out pretty well. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's it. Let me go to the 30 minutes. Let's just see. Okay, there's nothing here for the market to go and target. Go back up and target. Okay, so now on the 15 minutes, we do have an area that market could go and target. So we have this high over here. Okay, so this could be an area market is going to be able to go target. So I'm just going to mark it on here. Okay, and then 5 minutes, nothing there. See the 10 minutes. Okay, so yeah, it's all sitting around the same area. Okay, so we have resistance at 26.72 and 26.79, which gold is going to go and target, right? It's going to go and target there, and then that could be an area where price could get rejected and start heading back down again. Okay, so we could most likely try to look for sells around 26.79 if the price ends up getting rejected there. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I see here. And let's see, check. And so we've already filled this one. Now this is the next one. Price filled there. Okay, all right, so we're done with gold. All right, so now we're going to just let the market do its thing. Okay, with this the trade that we just entered for gold. Okay, we'll let it do its thing, play. I want to quickly look at Bitcoin now. Okay, let me look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Wow, look at that. Bitcoin is currently at 2680, 680 something. Somebody's asking buy or sell. I already pasted, I mean, talked about it, but I'm gonna see if I can bring it back up. Okay, let's see, these are all, this is it here. Bring back those messages. It, okay, there. There's the other one. I'll find it. But this one, so I'm gonna bring it here. So yeah, this is it for the person who's asking what's the target for gold and stuff. This is it. Okay, it's a buy, and then this is basically the target here. Now we're good. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna let me open up Bitcoin. I'm gonna check Bitcoin now. And those who are asking, is it too late to jump in on gold? No, so the entry for this buy is anywhere between 26.50 and 26.67. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't say it's too late. Always make sure you always check that price hasn't gotten to at least the first TP there. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna open Bitcoin now. So now I have Bitcoin opened up, right? So let's start off by analyzing Bitcoin. Let's go to let's quickly look at the daily time frame. This is the wrong chart. It's the right chart. Look. So it looks like my Bitcoin, okay, finally there. So my Bitcoin chart for some reason was not loading. Now it's good. All right. So this is Bitcoin right now, 26,700. My trade is about to get closed, by the way, because I think I set the TP. Surprisingly, it didn't close. 64,600. That's literally where I set my TP, and it has been closed. I guess it hasn't hit that on a battle. I'm actually gonna remove this TP here, 64,600, and just let the train run. Let me delete this, and then doesn't want to it. Anyways, up by 2,630. Okay, for this Bitcoin trade. I will close this soon. I'm going to just quickly look at what Bitcoin is doing here. Okay, I can see Bitcoin is basically attempted, it got to 200 there. So it got to 65 there, 200, which is a resistance that it is basically trying to break. Now I'm going to go to the 1 hour just to see what's going on. Okay. So what is going on? We already got massive rejection there. Once we hit 26,200, we received massive rejection there. So that's actually not a good sign. I think I'm going to close my Bitcoin trade, okay, and then look to re-enter if the price ends up breaking the 65,000 resistance, okay. But for now, since it got rejected already on the 1 hour time frame, I will close the trade now. Okay, so I'm closing this trade here. So closing it at 2,727. Okay, 2,761, 2,771. So I'm just closing it now. Okay, so it is closing. Come on, I need to restart this. Restart. Okay, so the trade is actually closed now. Okay, so it is closed, and now the only thing I have open is gold. I closed this Bitcoin trade at 26,149. I think there was a glitch on this thing because it should have been 26,6 something, but I think it closed it. Yeah, it did close it a long time ago, and there was a glitch on this system. Oh, that's weird. So yeah, let me go back to the chart. Okay, I'm gonna quickly analyze Bitcoin here. Let's see what's going on. So all of our targets, by the way, for the Bitcoin trade got hit. This was the trade we took yesterday live. First target was 64,200, second was 64,400, and then third was 64,800. All the target got hit without our stop loss getting hit. Stop loss was at 62,600. Okay, and yeah, you can pretty much see the trade. It's actually clear on the 1 hour. So let me just quickly go to the 1 hour so you guys can see. The price almost hit our stop loss though. It almost hit our stop loss. Okay, but it didn't, thank God. Okay, it almost did. It was so. And that was a very tight stop loss. So yeah, thank God it turned out in profit. I'm gonna delete that. Now, so now, yeah, obviously Bitcoin here right now on this 1 hour time frame, we are in an uptrend. Okay, price is currently in this uptrend, and this uptrend is most likely going to continue. I'm trying to see where is our highs. Okay, so this is where Bitcoin is at right now. Okay, this is where Bitcoin is at right now. Okay, it's basically just formed a new high. Okay, it went all the way to 65,200, got rejected there. Okay, and now it forms support. We built some support around here. Okay, around 63,900. We have some support there, which could be a good area to enter a potential buy if you're trying to buy Bitcoin, because it is in an uptrend on this 1 hour time frame, and it's most likely going to continue going higher. So for you to be buying For you to enter buy, you can look to enter buy for Bitcoin anywhere around 63,500 and 64,000 actually. Okay, so you can look to buy Bitcoin around this level. Gold, let's see what's happening with gold here. Okay, so this thing does not allow me to have multiple screens open. So let me just have one screen open. Okay, so gold almost at our first take profit. Okay, our gold trade is currently up by 250 there. We're almost at the second TP, I mean the first TP there. Okay, that's good. Now let me switch to Bitcoin on this screen. Switch, refresh, get person mentorship. For any mentorship, guys, make sure you fill the form on my bio so you can join my trading class. Okay, I do have a trading class that I will start in October. So this is a great place for you guys to be able to come and learn how trading works, how you can, profit from it, and also learn my strategy. Okay. Yeah, so highly recommend joining that class. You can register for it by filling that link in my bio. Okay. My chart again is now loading, so I'm gonna take some time. Oh, okay, now it happened. You analyze with his. Yeah, I do actually try to keep it simple. I don't use too much indicators or anything. I just read the basic price action that's happened and basically make my predictions from them. Okay, so gold actually just hit our first target. Congratulations, guys. If you took this trade, I'm up by 300 profits, $300 profit there. So that was a nice trade, like literally that was an amazing trade. So congratulations, guys. You can choose to close your trade right now if you want. If you want to keep holding it, just make sure you adjust your stop loss there to break even. Okay, I'm going to go to the 1 minute time frame. I think the price is going to but if you want to close the profit, close the trade now, go ahead and do so. Okay, for me, I think I'm going to keep holding it. Okay, I'm going to hold it just because I know there's this resistance here. Price is going to try to target. I'm going to hold it until then. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, so yeah, all right, perfect. So congrats, guys. If you guys took that trade, congrats. Now we're at 26.70. Okay, we do have some resistance there. Do have some resistance there. So now, okay, if you want to move your stop loss, good area, I would say 26.65 there. Okay, 26.65 is a good area to move your stop loss if you're trying to hold until the second target, which is 26.73. Okay, if you're trying to hold till then, just make sure you adjust your stop loss accordingly. Okay, let me quickly go to the 1 hour and see what's happening. So 1 hour, you can see we're looking bullish. Okay, and then 30 minutes, let's see what's 30 minutes doing. So yeah, even 30 minutes here, we're looking bullish. There's currently no resistance on the way right now on none of those time frame. Okay, the only major resistance we have right now is at 26.70, which the price is trying to break, and if it can break that, then it will be able to push higher. Okay, that's basically, let's see. All right, so that was a very good trade to take there. Okay, let me go and analyze Bitcoin. I'm not done. I keep getting distracted. Back to Bitcoin. My chart. Date. my Bitcoin chart for some reason. Internet connection or what? Sure. Bear with me, guys. Okay, I'm just trying to bring up my. Okay, now it's back. Hi. That was really weird. Okay, so let's get the likes to 10. So I see we have 61 people watching, but the likes is still at 6.7. Guys, please help me get the likes to 20,000. If you are enjoying the live so far, help me get the likes to 20,000, please. Let's tap on our screen, guys, please. And to the 62 people watching, guys, please make sure you join the Telegram group, okay? This is the best place to be. And if you want to stay connected and get more information completely for free, make sure you are in the Telegram group, okay? The link is in the bio. Highly recommend you join it. Go and join it right now. The link is in the bio, okay? Sorry, do you give out tips on your channel? Yes, I do. Okay, I share some tips at least once a week. I will give you guys some information about trading that can help you to learn more about it, okay? So please join it, okay? And the other thing I do on my group is I send out signals, trade signals that can help you to actually start making something out of trading even without experience. So make sure you join it, okay? Make sure you join it. So like I said, the best area to look for buy is around 63,500 and 64,000 there. And now we had a risk high that Bitcoin just broke. Well, actually it didn't break it yet. It attempted, but it didn't, okay? So for Bitcoin, like I said, look to buy around 63,564, or currently we're building some support here, but I wouldn't recommend buying around there just because we did get this rejection here. So for now, I would say either wait for Bitcoin to return down to 64,000 and then look to buy there. Okay, that's area number one. Or number two, we wait for the 65,000 resistance to be broken. Once that 65,000 resistance is broken, then look to buy at the retest. Okay, so that's basically it. We're gonna look to buy at the retest. For now, you don't want to buy Bitcoin right now because price is currently at resistance, and it's not a good idea to be buying when the price is at resistance. Okay, you want to look to sell at resistance, not to be buying. Okay, however, since Bitcoin is in this uptrend here, the best trades to be taking is to buy, even though, yeah, we are getting sort of like a bearish pattern here, but it's don't be selling. Okay, that rejection might not be strong enough. I think I'm going to end up breaking that resistance very soon. And then the next resistance will be at 65,500 here. Okay, actually 625. Once it breaks above once it breaks above 65,000 resistance there, it's going to go straight to 65,600 around there. Okay, so yeah, and then from there we might see a retracement. So yeah, so for Bitcoin here, we just got to be patient. Okay, wait for the price to either return back to 63,564 and then look for a buy. If it doesn't return to that area, then you wait for this resistance 65,000 to be broken. Okay, so if that resistance get broken, then you go and buy at the retest. Okay, so that is basically the analysis on gold. You want to look for buying opportunity for Bitcoin as of right now. We can see we're looking bullish. Okay, daily time frame, we got rejected. I was expecting the price to actually drop lower, but the current daily candle is looking extremely bullish. So if that candle closes bullish as well, this is very high chance the next candle is going to be able to break that resistance. Okay, so yeah, so that's for Bitcoin. Now let's go and look at GBP/USD as well. Okay, can you review NAS 100 as well? Sure, I will look at that as well. Okay, so this is GBP/USD. I'm gonna delete all these lines. These are all my targets for the take profit that for the signal. So I gave out a buy signal on my Telegram group, the VIP Telegram group yesterday, and pretty much all the targets have gotten hit. Okay, all the target got hit. We can see GBP/USD. We actually entered a buy over here. We entered a buy down over here at around 133, and then we targeted all the highs. Okay, we targeted the high above the support. So yeah, we can see all of that played out. So Now I'm gonna just delete all of these things now because it's no longer important. Okay, it's no longer important here. Delete, delete. Let's keep the chart clean, nice and clean. All right, so now I can see GBP USD is currently in an obvious uptrend here. Okay, obviously it's in a nice uptrend, and then our previous higher low is at 31.45. Between 31.45, 32, 31 there, we have some support there, so that could be a good area to buy on the daily time frame. And then now the resistance that the price broke above, okay, which is the previous high, is over here at 32.68. Okay, so just mark that down here. So this is it. Oh, gold is about to hit our second take profit, by the way. Gold is about to hit a second take profit. How amazing, guys. Let me show you the chart. This is gold. Let me go to the 1 minute. Okay, we can see here, this is our target. We bought gold. Okay, first target got hit. Now the price is about to hit the second take profit here. So congrats to everybody who actually is in this trade with me. I'm still in the buy, currently up by 600. Okay, currently up by $600.47 there. So at this point, there's a chance I'm actually going to start closing this trade very soon. Okay, the price is now entering a resistance zone. Okay, it's entering a resistance zone now. There's a chance I'm going to close this trade very, very soon. Let's see how the market reacts. It's entering this resistance zone. So this blue, anywhere between 26.72 and 26.79 is a resistance zone. Okay, and price is currently entering that. So we are going to try to close. Okay, I'm going to soon. Let me just wait for it to get to 26.73. I mean, which is actually not that far. Okay, not that far. It's gonna hit 26. Okay, so second TP just got hit. Amazing. Second TP. At this point, I will be closing the trade. Okay, so I'm actually gonna close out on this trade in profit of 700. Look at that, profit of 700. Do you guys think I should close it or should I keep holding it? I don't think I should close it. Should I keep? I think I'm gonna. Price might go higher, but it's okay. I just closed that trade. Okay, the price might keep going higher actually, but me, I'm just gonna be grateful for the profit. Okay, it's not good to be greedy, even though I technically know the price, but it's not 100% guaranteed because price is at the resistance, and I want to be safe. Better be safe than sorry. Okay, because this is a resistance point, and we might start coming back down from this zone. So I just closed that trade. Okay, and I recommend you guys close it as well if you haven't. Closed it at 700. So far, just from the live today, we made about 2,149. And then, I mean, well, this one was not taken from this live. This was taken from yesterday. So we'll just say from this live, made about 714. Okay, so that was amazing. Congratulations to everybody who participated in that buy. That was a very easy one to take. Okay, all right, so see, it's already getting rejected. I told you guys, because it's currently at the resistance. Okay, it's currently a resistance, so it's going to start getting rejected and start coming back down from that zone. Okay, but it still has the chance to even push higher because this entire area is resistance level for the price to go and basically retest. Okay, so it's eventually going to continue going higher, even though it's sort of like getting rejected now. It's eventually going to go back up there and then finish, yeah, basically complete that retest. So now let me go back to Bitcoin. Let me finish up, round up with the Bitcoin analysis here. Okay, so Bitcoin, whoa, 65,000. Wow, I did not even see that. All right, jeez, holy. So Bitcoin actually broke that resistance now. It's at 65,000. It went all the way to 65,490. Wow, I didn't even realize that. I guess it happened while we were too busy looking at gold. If you want me to teach you how to trade, please join my trading class. Okay, this is the only place for me to teach you. I do the teaching online through Zoom, and it's a group class. You can join it. Make sure you fill the form on my bio. And when you fill that form on my bio, please check your email, because I will get back to you on to confirm your registration. Any information about the class is found on the form. So just go to my bio right now, click that form, and then you will see all the information, okay, about that trading class, how it's going to be, what is it that you're going to learn, and all that, okay. So yeah, feel that this is the only place for me to teach you is in that trading class. So yeah, Bitcoin is currently 65,400. It's currently breaking that resistance, which I told you that there was a very high chance it was going to break that resistance. You know, even though we got this rejection here, the previous candle was a rejection, but I guess the market didn't respect that rejection. It decided to buy instead, okay? It decided to buy instead, and I guess, yeah, so now we just have to wait for the retest, okay? We're going to wait for Bitcoin to do its thing. It's most likely going to keep pushing higher and higher, whatever. Now we're going to wait for the retest to do, okay? Maybe it's going to come back to 65,000 there and then do a retest, okay? Now that we've broken above this high, we now have a new support here at 64,100 and yeah, 100. So I'm going to just move my support line there, okay? So we have support now. The best area to buy Bitcoin now is around 64,100 and 64,700, around there, okay? This is not the best area to. But for Bitcoin right now, don't buy, okay? Even though yes, it looks tempting that the price is going to keep pushing higher, but you don't want to buy at the top, okay? Buying here is very risky. You're buying at the top. Never buy at the top. The top is where you want to sell. You buy at the bottom. You wait for the price to do a retest, and then you buy there, okay? So now we're done with Bitcoin. I was analyzing GBP/USD. Let me actually finish up with that quickly. So GBP/USD right now is currently in an uptrend. Like I told you guys here, we're in uptrend, and then good area to buy on this daily time frame. We have 31.39 and 32.31 there. We also have 32.72, good areas to be buying, okay? Price already technically retested that support here, as you guys can see. It did retest it. Okay, let me make this yellow, okay? The price actually did a retest of this support here. So that was 32.69. We can see the price broke out, and then after the breakout, we did came back. This is the candle that came back here to do a retest. So the retest is technically already completed. So now there's a chance price is building a new support around here, okay? So once that daily candle closes, we can then move our support from here, 31.54 to now this new support, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame here. We can see we are still in an uptrend, okay? You can see the uptrend pretty more clear. Higher highs and higher lows, that is your uptrend, okay? And then our current resistance is here, 34.29, which price is about to break. All right, the price is about to break that resistance there, okay? And then now we have the most important level to keep an eye on is 33. All right, 33.12 and 36, okay? So 33.12 and 32.36, that is now our critical level to keep an eye on for this uptrend. So for now, I wouldn't recommend buying GBP/USD because right now it's a resistance, right? The resistance right now, so you need to wait to see what's going to happen. If we get rejected, then we're going to come back down, and then good area to buy is around 33.36 and 33.12 there, okay? However, if we don't get rejected, which means we break that resistance, then we can wait for the pullback to join in on the buy. Okay, and the next target, once we break this resistance, 34.39, once GBP breaks that resistance, GBP USD, the next resistance is heading to, all right, to figure out where the next resistance is, by the way, like if you ever can't figure out where's the next resistance, you need to look to the left of the chart. Okay, and if you can't see it on the time frame that you're looking at, then you have to go to a higher time frame. Okay, go to a time frame that's higher than the time frame that you're currently looking at. So like right now, if I was looking at the chart right now, I can't see where the next resistance is, right? I cannot see. So I need to zoom out. Okay, zoom out a little bit, and then see from where the price is. We can see the next resistance is over here at 36.49. Okay, so that would be the next target that GBP USD is most likely going to get to. Once it breaks this current resistance, it's going to definitely head to around 36.38 there, 36.38. Okay, so that will be the next target that it would definitely head to. Okay, so yeah, but for now it's best to wait. Okay, it's best to wait. Let me go to 1 hour. Let's see what is 1 hour doing. Yeah, even on the 1 hour. So if on the 1 hour, we have nice opportunity to actually buy around here as well. Okay, so around 33.51 and 33.38. This is another good level to be buying. Okay, this is another good level to be buying GBP USD. So if the price ends up pulling back to this zone, okay, 33.48 and 33.39 there, you can look to enter buy. All right, for everybody who's just joining, welcome. I hope you guys are doing great. Please make sure you join the Telegram group, okay, to stay connected. Join the Telegram group. The link is in the bio. If you are interested in learning how to trade, then make sure you fill the registration form on my bio, so you can join the next class that's starting on October. Okay, register right now so you can learn how to trade. I'll be teaching you guys everything from the strategy that I use and how to properly analyze the market, so you can always make sure you are in the profitable side. Okay, very, very good class. You're going to be learning a lot, trust me. Make sure you join it. If you're a beginner, if you're a struggling trader, someone who's just not been making consistent profit, then you need to join this class. All right, so like I said, best area to buy right now is 33.50 and 33.39 there. Okay, sorry, 33.90, not 39. So 33.50 and 33.90 becomes the good area for us to buy GBP USD if it gets rejected at the current resistance. Okay, it's currently approaching this resistance. If it ends up getting rejected, then it's most likely going to pull back down to this support, and then we can enter a buy around there as well. If it doesn't get rejected, which means it breaks this resistance, then we need to enter a buy at the pullback. Okay, this current resistance, okay, 34.28 is going to turn into support. Okay, once the price breaks above it, once we get this 1 hour candle to close above 34.30 around there, then you just need to look to buy around 34.30 when the price returns to it. Okay, how can I do this in Canada, and what all need to start? If you want to trade in Canada, it's super easy. You just need to open an account with a broker, and the broker that I use and recommend, there's two. One is FXCC, the other one is Abato. I actually have the link to these brokers on my bio, so you can just go to my bio right now and click on that link to register. Okay, click the link on my bio so that you can register an account. Right, this is a show, not a trading session. Yeah, so it is both a show and a trading session. Okay, if you're joining late, then you missed out because we took out an amazing trade on gold, which played out pretty well. Now we're analyzing, because on this live, we don't just place trades after trades. We're here to actually learn. Okay, I do a complete top-down analysis so you guys can have an idea of what's gonna happen. okay, so you guys can know exactly where are the best areas to buy and everything. Well, now this live is not just to be trading after trading after trading. Now if you think this is what it is, then definitely you can go somewhere else. Okay, go and watch another live, because this is not the live for that. Okay, not a trading session, it's an educational live. Okay, so yeah, so it hasn't broken the resistance yet. Once it breaks it, then we'll see what happens next. Okay, but you can add it to your watch list. GBP USD, definitely add it to your watch list. Okay, now let's look at US 100 there, because I did get someone asking me on the comments section. So let's look at it here. By the way, my target for this is another nice thing I analyzed a few days ago, and it basically made it to the target almost. Okay, made it to 20,300 there. Okay, so yeah, so this was a nice one. I actually closed out some profit already. Okay, when the price got to this level, okay, I closed out at around 20,195. Okay, so this is where I took out profit. Okay, for the first position. Second position is still open. I didn't close that out yet. Okay, are you skipping question? Okay, have a nice day. Yeah, I'm not answering any questions right now because I'm trying to analyze. Answering questions just distracts me from actually analyzing, so I will answer questions once I'm done with the analysis. Okay, so US 100. Let me delete all these lines here. Okay, we will start by analyzing the daily time frame. Okay, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame here. All right, so sure, this up. All right. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Let's delete this so we can see the chart better. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Okay, we can see here we were in this nice downtrend, and then price basically broke the current resistance here, 19,900, which was the resistance price had to break in order for this uptrend to, downtrend to end. Okay, so we did get daily candle closing above that resistance there, we can see. So that is the breakout. So now this area here is now going to turn into our support. Okay, 19,900 becomes a very good area to look for buys. Okay, and then now the most important thing price needs to hold, all right, is 19,700, 19,600. Okay, so is Nas 100 the same as Nasdaq? Yes, it is. All right, no offense, but anybody who's here to like spread hate and negativity in the live, just so you know, you are somebody that I have to block. So yeah, if I notice any like negativity in the lives and everything, then, or somebody telling people to buy when I'm telling them to sell or whatever, I will block you. So yeah, so this is not a place to spread hate and negativity. Okay, so just make sure you're coming here with good intention. If you're coming here with bad intention and stuff, I will block you. Okay, we don't need your negativity over here. Yeah, so I just blocked one person because I did notice one person was like commenting a lot of like hateful comments and stuff, so I had to block that person. So yeah, guys, make sure you just spread positive, okay? We don't need no hate. All right, so like I said, for this pair here, it is in an uptrend, okay? Right now, the main target it's gonna head to is 20,700, okay? 20,700 is basically where it's heading to eventually. Right now, we have support around 19,600 and 19,900. These are good areas to look for buying opportunities for US 100 or NAS 100. Good area to be looking for buying opportunities there, okay? So yeah, so basically that's it on the daily time frame. And in order for this option to continue, we can break below 19,600. If you notice the price comes down and it breaks below this, okay, on the daily time frame, just know it's going to go down further, okay? So now let's check the 4-hour. Let's see what's going on. So the 4-hour, we can see the highest price actually went to is 20,320 there, and then from there it actually got rejected, and then it's coming back down again, okay? So as it is coming down, like I said, we have strong support between 19,600 and 19,900. These are good areas to be looking to buy, okay? That's it, okay? So far we haven't gotten any sign that that retest is successful, at least not on the 4-hour. Let me check the 1-hour, okay? So on this 1-hour time frame, okay, on this 1-hour time frame here, what I see, okay, if you're trying to buy this pair right now, I would say wait for the current 1-hour candle to close, okay? If this current 1-hour candle closes bullish, then you can go ahead and place your buy. And then you just want to make sure you set your stop loss below 19,600, okay? I would say like 19,500 would be a good area to place your stop loss if you're going to join in on this buy here, okay? But wait, let's wait for the 1-hour candle to close first before you actually go ahead and place your buy, okay? And then you can target 20,300 as your first take profit. Second take profit could be at 20,600, around there, okay? Because that's the main target price is going to get to, okay? So yeah, so that's basically it. That's the analysis on USD JPY. So far I've analyzed gold, okay? We've analyzed Bitcoin, all right? We analyzed gold, we analyzed Bitcoin, we analyzed GBP USD. Now we're going to take a look at USD JPY. I'm going to just delete this. So USD JPY, I'm going to analyze it starting by the daily time frame. So this pair here is in a downtrend on this daily time frame. We know this because price is forming lower highs and lower lows. That is a formation of a downtrend here, okay? Now there is a high that price had to break in order for this downtrend to be over. It is basically over here, this high of 143, okay, 143.84. That was the high they had to break in order for this downtrend to be over, and we can see we actually did get a breakout, okay? The previous daily candle actually broke above it. We can see we got a candle closing above that resistance. So now this is signaling a potential uptrend that's going to start there, okay? Now most important support to not break, okay, is 139.64, okay? So this is that low over there, okay? So for this pair, I want to be buying, okay? I want to look for buying opportunities, okay? I want to look to enter buys there. And then have my support here, okay? We have 142.88, okay? That's one support. I'm going to keep an eye on there, okay? For my stop loss, I would want to put my stop loss below 142 there. I'm going to enter a buy at this current price, okay? Now the high that it's going to target is this high here, 147. That's where it's heading, 147.33. All right, so this is basically where I would target for my take profit. Okay, and then let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening here. Let me go to the 4 hour actually. Let's see 4 hour. Okay, you can see on the 4 hour we basically in an uptrend, right? So yeah, so now we have support getting built right now around here. We have some support prices building here. I'm actually not going to use it. So I would say for this pair, if you're trying to buy, look to buy anywhere around 143.88 and 144, about there, okay? Because this was our previous resistance there. The price just broke above, okay? So looking to buy anywhere around 143, okay, like 142.92 and 144. Okay, this entire area here is the support for the price to be able to push higher. Okay, now on this 1 hour time frame, what we are seeing, okay, we can see the price was up here and then it broke below this support. Okay, came back, so we have strong resistance. It's pretty obvious that the strong resistance here at 145. Okay, strong resistance there, but then we have strong support around here. Okay, strong support around here between 143.90 and 144.41. Those are good areas to look for buys. Okay, since the price got rejected here, that was the first time it got rejected. Now it came back to do a retest, and right now the retest is looking like, you know, it does not look like the price is going to be able to break that resistance. I think it's most likely coming back down to this support here, 144.17. Anywhere around this box, it's coming back down here. So I would say wait for the price to come here, and if it holds the support again, okay, which means you need to see a 1 hour candle closing at this support, then you go ahead and enter a buy. Okay, so that would be it. Okay, for this pair here, look for buying opportunities because the price is going to go higher, and the level it cannot break for this to be valid is 142.79. if it breaks below 142.79, then it's no longer going higher, it's going to crash back down. Okay, so I hope that analysis made sense. Okay, for everybody who's joining and following, make sure you join my Telegram group. Okay, so Telegram, I want to share this live with my friends. That would be great, you know. Make sure you share it so that they can also come and learn how they can start making money from the market. Great. Free signals. Hey, make sure you join the Telegram group, guys. Alright, so far, the only trades that we've been able to take so far is on gold. Okay, we took a trade on gold. I've analyzed Bitcoin, I've analyzed GBP USD, I've analyzed USD JPY. Okay, and then none of them we haven't been able to see good trading opportunity. So yeah, I've just showed you guys exactly where you should be entering buys. Okay, and now it's just a matter of waiting. If I look at GBP USD, currently it's at the resistance. Okay, and it hasn't gotten rejected, so I'm not going to go ahead and sell there. If I look at Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin here, if I look at it, let's see. So for Bitcoin, it actually just broke the resistance because we got the 1 hour candle closing there. So now I want to enter a buy for Bitcoin, but I want to wait for the pullback. Okay, I want to wait for the pullback here. Let's go to the lower time frame and see where exactly Bitcoin could pull down to. Okay, all right, so we have 65,000. That's area number 1 to enter a buy for Bitcoin. Number 2, we have see the 30 minutes time frame, nothing there. See 15 there. All right, so for Bitcoin, yeah, 65,000 remains the only area, good area to look for buys. 65, and then we have 64,600 here. Okay, And Bitcoin, we can see it's neither at these areas. Okay, it's neither at these areas here. Okay, it looks like the price is going lower and lower, so probably when it gets to 65,000, it's going to hold that support and push higher. So we're just going to observe the market and see what happens there. Okay, observe the market and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, so for Bitcoin here, just wait. Let's check out what time frame you good best friend. Okay, so for gold, mostly my time frame is 1 hour and the 1 minute. I'll scalp gold using the 1 minute. I will place my analysis, do my analysis and everything on the 1 hour most of the time. So gold, okay, this was the gold buy we took earlier in this live. It hit the first and second target. The last target is yet to be hit. It's most likely going to be hit very soon. Okay, now I'm going to analyze gold again. Let's go back to the 1 hour time. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame for gold. You can clearly see price is still showing a strong desire to want to keep going higher. Okay, we have our support. Okay, for gold here, we have our support between 25.50 and 26.50 and 26.67. Those are good areas to buy gold. If the price ever comes back down to this area, look to be buying gold at those levels. Okay, and now for this option to continue, we cannot break below 26.40. Okay, so 26.40 now becomes the most critical level for gold to hold in order for it to push higher. If it breaks below 26.40, then it's most likely going to start heading way down. Okay, so that's basically it. Those are the key to keep an eye on gold. Okay, so now let's go to the 30 minutes. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so 30 minutes was still pushing higher. Okay, price is currently finding resistance at 26.70. Okay, it's currently finding resistance there at 26.70. As you guys can see, we're coming down. Okay, we're coming down there. Oh, but I don't want to enter a sell because, you know, since this market is an uptrend, the best trades to take is a buy. Okay, even though price is coming down, I'm not going to be selling. That's trading against the trend, and I don't want to do that. It's best to look for buys. Okay, so this market, as it is coming down here, we do have some liquidity all the way down here, so that there's a high chance the price could come back down to 26.59 here, and then end up finding support again to push up. So area number one I'll look to buy is 26.60. If the price comes here, actually not 60, so we have number one 26.67. If the price comes in and finds support, we could enter another buy for gold here. We also have 26.60 here. If it finds support, we can enter a buy there for gold. Okay, so yeah, so that is gold. See, as the price is coming down, I'm going to actually mark this here. Let's mark this there, but that could provide us a good opportunity to enter buy. Okay, so this is between 26.62 and 26.67 there. Good area to look for potential buys for gold. Check the 5 minutes. Yeah, the 5 minutes is giving the same. All of the time are giving the same. See 1 minute. Yeah, all giving the same. The price is now entering this zone. Okay, support zone. See how it's there. See how the price reacts there. So let's see. coming down, still going lower. Look at the gold. I'm going to be ending this live soon, by the way. Come back again around 10 p.m. Eastern time. This live is usually supposed to just be for 1 hour, and yeah, I'm way past that time, so I'm going to call it a day very soon, and then we'll come back later. I encourage you guys to make sure you follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram group so you can stay connected and get more information completely free. Okay. It has entered that area of support, so let's see how the market reacts. Okay. So far, we are currently in that support zone here. If the price holds that support, you guys can enter and buy there. Okay. Let's play music. Okay. So price is at support, and it's basically trying to hold that support there. As you guys can see, it's trying its best to hold that support. So if that support is held, we can look to enter a buy for gold. I'm gonna post on my Telegram group here. Second. So yeah. So this support looks like it's being held. Okay. We'll enter a trade with a very low lot size. Okay. So 0.006. Enter this buy here for gold. Okay. Target 2670, and then we have 2672 there as well. Guys, our first take profit for the second gold trade that I just entered. I mean, yeah, it's about to get hit. Currently in profit of $100. Okay, the first take profit is at 26.70. The price is about to hit that target there. So you guys can choose to start. If you want to start closing the trade now, you can. If you want to keep holding, you can as well. Okay. This was another pretty easy trade. This is the second trade that we're taking live here on TikTok. Okay, second trade. I'm leaving. Bye. Yeah, same. Yeah, it is. Is this new NAS trade? Yes, it is. It is the new signal that I just posted. Okay. Oh.
J'avais pas l'oreille, j'avais tous les mecs sur le bas côté. Bébé, tu vas taper. Je suis rendu prendre mon cadeau. Un repas pour m'accueillir, y'a trop de trucs à faire. Tu le faut pas faire, tu je suis là, sur tout le carré. Je le vois, tu vas m'en faire, me faire. J'ai plus, pas m'en faire, me faire. T'as pas lu, je pouvais tout m'en ah oui, ah oui, ah oui, ah oui, ah oui. Ah oui, ah oui, ah oui, ah oui.
So guys, the price is almost at our first take profit. So just hit our first take profit. Congratulations guys to everybody who took this trade. I'm up by 170. So that was another amazing trade that we just took, second trade on this live. So that was amazing. You guys can take your profit now. If you took this trade, you can take your profit. If you want to keep holding, just make sure you adjust your stop loss to break even or something page. But yeah, the price is heading to 26.71 because we have some resistance there. Price needs to do a retest on. And then our main target, which is 26.79, okay, price hasn't tapped into that resistance yet, but I believe eventually it's going to do that, okay? But yeah, this was another amazing trade that we took, and I think I'm going to call it a day for today. I'll come live again later today, okay? So for me, I will close this trade at the first take profit, okay? I'm closing it, 116. I'm just closing it now just because I will not be monitoring the market for the next few hours, okay? I close that trade. Now I just want to give you guys one more signal that you guys can take, okay? So this is on Canadian JPY. While we were waiting for gold to hit the TP, I was actually analyzing Canadian JPY. So you want to buy Canadian JPY because currently it's in an uptrend, okay? And then the best areas to buy it, let me expand this so you guys can see. So we have, you can enter anywhere between 106.97 and 107.38. First take profit is at 107.60, second take profit 107.75, and then we have 108.40, okay? So this pair here, okay, is currently on an uptrend, and since it's an uptrend, it means that we want to look to buy. So I've marked out all this, okay? We have strong support between 106 here, 97, and 107.38. Okay, so this is where you want to buy, and this uptrend is going to continue as long as the price doesn't break below 106.54. We will most likely keep higher, so you want to look for buy, okay? And yeah, so the main target for this one is actually at 108. Okay, so that's like the main target where price is actually heading to, and eventually it's going to get to. It's just going to take some time, but eventually it's going to get there. And then one more, we have US 100 as well, which is also looking good to buy as well. So if you make sure you have your account size is able to handle the stop loss because it's at 19,600. Yeah, this thing here is most likely going to push back up towards this high here, 20,300, retest that high, and then if it's able to break it, then it's going to go higher. If not, it's going to come back down. Okay, so you want to also look to buy US 100 there. And then yeah, so this also is in an uptrend, and this uptrend is going to continue as long as we don't break below 19,600. Okay, and you can check the daily time frame here. to see the uptrend even better. Okay, so daily time frame here is showing you that this market is currently in an uptrend. We just broke a major resistance here, 19,900. That was a key level for the market to break. So yeah, so now that it broke it, it's gonna head up. The main target is actually 19,700. That's where it's heading. That's the high on the daily time frame that the market has to target. So it's most likely going to go up there to target it, and it has to make sure it holds above 19,600 to be able to do that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna call it a day. Let's see GBP USD, see what's going on here before I go off. So GBP USD currently at a resistance. Okay, so 134 29. Okay, it's currently getting rejected there. So if this candle here 1 hour closes bearish, it's most likely going to come down to the support. Okay, and the support is sitting between 33.50 and 33.90, around there. So these are good areas to look for buying opportunities for GBP USD. Okay, anywhere around 33.50 and 33.90. Okay, because this pair here is also in an uptrend, and this uptrend is going to continue as long as, let's check the daily time frame. So daily time frame, we have a major support at 31.45. Okay, but we might be building a new support here once this daily candle closes, so we'll see about that. But for now, the main support that needs to make sure it holds for the uptrend to continue is 31.36. We break below 31.36 for us to continue pushing higher. Once we break this resistance here at 34.9, the next resistance is sitting at 36.37. This is most likely where GBP USD is going to head to, okay, to 36, 34, 37, around there. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Call it a day. I'd like to thank everybody for joining today's live. Thank you for those who sent a gift. Really appreciate it. And thank you for helping me get the likes to 3,000. That was awesome. Thank you very much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the live. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. If you're not following, make sure you follow and join my Telegram group, which is 100% free. The link is in the bio, so just head over to my bio right now and join. And if you're interested in learning how to trade, you know, you want to learn exactly how to trade, you want to learn the strategy that I'm using to be able to make all this amazing trades, then you want to join my trading class. Okay, I'll be starting a trading class in October, and the registration is open. You can go to my bio right now. You're going to see a form to fill in so you can register for the class. Okay, make sure you join it so you can learn how to trade properly. All right, so I'll see you guys later today by God's grace. Okay, I'll try to come back around 10 p.m. Eastern time. You guys enjoy your day, enjoy your night. See you and take care. Yeah, I'm not in. I am the only trades that I'm in. I'm on a Canadian JPY, and then I'm also on US 100. Those are the two trades that I'm currently holding. And yeah. All right, so bye for now, guys. See you. And those on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please help me get the live to like just hit that thumbs up button, please. I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get the likes up. Okay, and make sure you join the Telegram group as well if you're not in it. And if you guys are interested in learning how to trade, highly recommend you join my trading class. You can register for it by clicking the link in the description box below. Okay, fill that form there, and we'll see you in a few hours from now. Take care, guys.